Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Daddy. Good morning, Daddy.
What are you guys doing over here?
We're drawing Star Wars characters. And I'm reading a Star Wars book.
Oh,
We're drawing characters from Jabba's palace.
okay. Which ones?
Jabba the Hutt, the Monkey Lizard, Jabba's Dancer, Gamorrean Guard, Boba Fett, the Scarlet Pit, a Clutterine, Rancor, Bib Fortuna, and Max Rebo.
That sounds very interesting.
Max Rebo is a blue elephant thingy. And the Scarlet Pit is a chompy that we normally call. We call it a chompy normally. I didn't brush it. I didn't brush it. Where is it? Over there. It looks like that. And then the Gamorrean Guard.
So are they all good guy characters?
No, they're all bad guys.
All of them?
Yeah. Because they're all in Jabba's palace.
I think Boba Fett was just misunderstood.
What is Boba Fett?
He's a New Zealander.
Is he the good guy?
Hmm?
Is Boba Fett a good guy?
Not really.
She has a dress, Rebecca. Why did you forget her dress?
Millennium Falcon.